Hello student of class 11. This is the continuation part of the chapter complex number. Now I am going to focus on different types of sums. If I have x equal to 3 plus 2i, if then find the value of x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44. Okay, I have x equal to 3 plus 2i. Okay, x minus 3, that is equal to 2i, squaring on both sides. We have this is x square minus 6x plus 9, this is equal to 4i square, this is equal to minus 4, since I square equal to minus 1. So I will get 9 plus 4, that is equal to 13, this is equal to 0. I express this one in this form. You follow this. I can write it. First I write third line. First I will write third line and after that second line. X square minus 6x plus 13. This is equal to 0. First is x to the power 4. Second is minus 6x cube. Sorry, 6x cube. But I have minus 4x cube. So I will take 2x cube. So I will get minus 4x cube. Minus 4x cube is adjusted. After that 13x square I have 4x square, that means minus 9x square. 9x square is subtracted from 13x square, so I will get 4x square. So I will write 6x cube, x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x cube, x square minus 6x plus 13. So 2x cube, x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x cube plus 13x square minus 9x square, but I have minus 12x square. Okay, minus 12x square. So I will get 1x square, that means x square plus 3x square. So I will write 3x square, 13x square, 13x square minus 12x square plus 26x. Okay, 2x cube minus 12x square plus 26x plus 3x square minus 18x that is 8x already has come and 13 plus 39 I have 44, that is plus 5. This equal to this after third line. This equal to after third line I will write second line. I adjust this line by this expression, and so I can write it x square into 0 plus 2x into 0 plus 3 into 0 plus 5. So I will get only 5. For this reason, I will write this expression in this way: x square into this, 2x into this, 3 into this plus 5. I am adjusting to solve the expression easily. You can follow it properly. I will give you the PDF, and in PDF there are some sums about this. You will follow, and I hope you will understand easily. And another thing is, for modulus amplitude form, you must follow this rule. If z equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 3 I, if z equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 3 is given, find its modulus amplitude form. Mod z equal to minus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3, this is equal to 4 plus 4, that is 16, that is equal to 4. Let alpha be the acute angle given by alpha equal to tan inverse mod y by x, that is equal to tan inverse 2 root 3 by minus 2, that is equal to tan inverse root 3, that equal to tan inverse tan 60 degree, that means pi by 3, this is equal to pi by 3. But minus 2 root 3 point P lies on second quadrant, so amplitude z equal to theta equal to pi minus alpha, that is pi minus pi by 3, this is 2 pi by 3. Okay. I am telling again, you follow this procedure to solve the modulus amplitude form, otherwise your marks will be deducted. You must follow this rule. I had checked your copy, but it is missing. It was missing, so I am telling you follow this rule. So z modulus amplitude form is r cos theta plus I sin theta. Here r equal to 4 and theta equal to 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. This is the modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form or polar form of Z. Okay, I am ending here.